Hello guys, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. It's your girl Jennifer and welcome back to Jennifer World. Yes guys, my world. To my returnees, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. And to my new subscribers, thank you for subscribing to this channel. I really appreciate you. And if you are just stopping by to this channel, why not consider to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you everyone. Guys, today's video we are going to be making this sauce you are seeing here right now. It's called RAGÚ, and this one is Italian RAGÚ bolognese. RAGÚ di bolognese. So guys, I will be showing you guys how to prepare this RAGÚ. You can use it to eat your pasta. You can use it to make your lasagna, guys. So guys, if you want to see how I make it, keep watching this video. Thank you. sauce is ready. That is our ragu alla bolognese is ready. Very beautiful and very yummy, guys. Good to eat your pasta. You can use it to make your lasagna. You can use it to eat white rice, guys. You can use it to eat a lot of things you can think of, guys. Please, guys, I will be glad if you give this recipe a try. Please try it out. You will love it because kids really love ragu a lot. They love it a lot because my kids love ragu a lot. They normally use it to eat pasta, to eat rice, and I normally use it to make lasagna too, guys. Please share this recipe out and let me know in the comment section what you think about this recipe, if you are going to give it a try. And guys, share this video, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you are just coming across my channel for the first time. Thank you, guys. I really appreciate you guys for watching my videos, and for my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate you guys a lot. Thank you guys for watching. Until we see in my next video. Bye bye.